Hello friends, today we are going to see a website which is a get paid to website which gives users grams for just working on simple tasks on this website. For this, first of all, you can just sign in to this website with your Gmail. So you just sign in some contracts and you get paid for this. The second thing is that you can do some free rolls on this website. Grams are converted to dollars, so 1 gram is equal to $2, and minimum withdrawal is 500 grams, that is $1,000 US dollars. You can make more money by watching videos over here. So this is over here, every day you can watch 5 videos, and you can also invite your friends so that you can make some more money. You can also participate in lottery. So over here you have a very good chance of winning. You can buy lotteries and you can play this, and over here there are various positions. So overall, I would like to say GramFree is a great website with which you can make a lot of grams which can be converted to US dollars. I highly recommend this website to all the users. Have a happy earning. Thank you.